some gear. We got a big spotty scoop this time. Yeah, I don't even need this. Okay. Yeah. Give that a try. Alright. Deer's gone.
That's a saddle back there.
Yeah.
You can see it comes in.
Yeah. That could work.
Let's go check it out.
Okay.
Is it 1, 2, 3 shoot and we go pick one?
Alright, hey, when we get to this peak, let me take a read on the distance. Damn, there's some big ones in there. We gotta go. 1100. I gotta tell you something too that I didn't tell you earlier. Right when you were telling me you saw those pigs there,
Yeah.
there were other pigs out in the field that way.
Yeah, I saw all those.
Okay.
I don't know, it's like sitting in places.
We just don't know where they're gonna work. So I think
It was hard because we lost sight of them. And they may have winded us.
we
Unless we keep glassing a spot and wait till they pop up.
they're coming this way. They just went down. I got eyes on them. So they're on the other side of this knoll, working up the cut towards us.
I told you, just be patient.
6:30.
6:30 to where you saw them?
About 600. So, see where it gets
Yeah.
dark brown in
Yeah.
the valley there?
Yeah.
That's like right where they just disappeared into.
Okay, so should we go up here?
Dude, 3 big pigs.
We should probably go around. I think you're right, because that's another draw that goes up.
Okay.
They're coming right at us.
Yep.
Either way, we gotta make sure we keep eyes on them. Let's go. Just like hike sideways. Let's go over that bridge. That way we can see them if they come.
Look at that.
How's our wind?
Suspect.
We gotta put ourselves in the middle. We're committing ourselves to a spot.
Yeah, but it's the best. At least we got eyes on both sides. They're just gonna appear out of nowhere.
We're down in that bottom drainage. They're on the backside of it going up.
Okay.
Yardage.
They're like the V to the fence?
Down there.
222.
On that drainage. Take a shot from here. You want to get on that ridge. How far is it to that?
180.
180?
180.
We got it.
It's probably a little bit less.
Let's set up. Let's take the shot from right
But
here.
do you know if they're gonna show themselves or not?
Dude, they have to. They were on a reel. You should watch themselves. There they are. They're at that bush. At that bush. Okay, they're coming up. They're coming up.
All right.
How far was that bush?
160.
Okay, let's go. Okay, here they come. They're coming up. Let them get closer. Okay, I'll take the lead one.
Okay.
Okay. Wait until they all get as close as they can, right? Wait until they go silent. Where you go, Brian?
Yeah.
Let that one in the back catch up.
I'm gonna go for the back one in the back two.
Huh?
You go for the one in the front two. I go for one in the back two. You ready?
They're right in toward it. Okay, I got a shot on it. I got a shot on that second one from the back.
Okay, I'm ready when you are, dude.
I don't have a shot.
Me neither. But
As soon as that one turns broadside, you get the one in the back.
yeah.
Get that second one from the back. Okay. Okay, I got that one in the front.
Okay.
Let me know when you got a shot.
I don't see any others.
That one has a perfect shot right there.
Where are the others? There we go.
Okay. You get the brown one. I'll get the one behind it. Let me know when you got a shot. Are you on him?
He turned his back. Let's,
Okay, take one up. Which one you got? I'll take the one in the back. Are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
2, 3. Do you have that one?
Got him.
Shoot him again.
He's dead.
One down there. Down there. Where are you? Okay, let's keep eyes on these two.
I think I gotta go get on him, dude.
Go. I'm watching. The roll.
Dude, I don't have a bullet. Atta boy.
We had 4 of them right here on this hillside in public land, but we got one down. Pretty decent sized one. I think it was the biggest one. Let's see. We did it, Matt. All the hard work, dude. Miles and miles. There he is.
All right, so
Bacon, oh baby.
yeah.
stopped that guy.
Yeah, that was rad.
You were right next to it too. Did you hear like a bullet going?
That was awesome.
Fuck.
You just, here's yours. Wow, what a great picture. I get one of my.
Is this a good spot?
It's a freaking fantastic spot. Yeah.
Hold on, one more.
Okay. Okay. Nice, dude.
We gotta do the GoPro. That's a big thing.
Dude, I'm so glad we came out today. We almost didn't come.
Oh my god. Yeah, and the weather's like so perfect right now. It's about to start raining. Maybe there's gonna be more pigs out. Maybe we get another one. This was one of 4. But yeah, so you know, decent shots. What, like 120?
By the time they were on us, yeah, one.
Maybe less.
Yeah.
100 yards, but they weren't stopping. So they were walking towards us, and there's 4 of them, and trying to coordinate like 2 shots was tough.
I know, we got
And videoing and everything. Yeah. At one point we had 2 good shots, but it's there for a second and then it's gone. That's like the hardest part.
We'll get better
to time it. I almost think like the best way to do it is to have one person just shoot one instead of worrying about the timing, and then the second person just have a follow-up shot.
Okay. That
I mean,
sounds
maybe
fair
next
to me.
time, because that way we guarantee instead of like trying to coordinate a 1, 2, 3.
To add on to that, I will see when we review the video, but I think even after the shots, it's not like they go like that. There's still a little bit of delay.
Yeah. But now we got a work cut out for us. We're 4 miles in. I don't know. I've been checking. Made it to the bikes. How you feel, bro?
Fantastic, dude. You think this thing's gonna stay in there with the gun?
Wow, that's kind of nice. Where'd you get that thing?
Zapateria.
Nice. By Maria?
Right. Boy.
Loaded down.
All right. Water. That was rad.
Dude,